Good morning. We're here to present to you who Carl Rogers was.
First of all, it is important to say that Carl Rogers was one of the founding fathers of psychology.
He was born in Oak Park, Illinois, on January 8, just like Natty, but 91 years before. Which means he was born 1902. He died February 4, 1987, at the age of 85, in San Diego, California.
He married Helen Elliott, and with her moved to New York. In 1924, he attended Union Theological Seminary. At that time, he was really into religion.
But wait, what did he do before?
He first attended University of Wisconsin, where he studied agriculture and religion. He then withdrew from religion, which was again in his psychological interests. Afterwards, he went to Columbia University. He there studied clinical psychology and received his Ph.D. in 1931. After that, in 1940 he started teaching at the University of Ohio. As a very known psychologist, in 1946 he was elected president of American Psychological Association. After his death, in 1987, he was nominated for the Nobel Peace Prize.
Carl Rogers was known for his therapy, the Rogerian therapy.
It was also known as person-centered therapy, client-centered therapy, and non-directive, among others that are not that known.
With his therapy, his aim was to have an approach to counseling and psychotherapy which would place much of the responsibility on the treatment process in the client, rather than in the therapist, who would have a non-directive role.
With this type of therapy, the patient has more responsibility. The real point of this therapy is that the client already has the answer to the problems, and the therapist is there for helping the patient feel accepted and be able to understand its personal feelings.
So, we may say that it is a form of psychoanalysis in which a therapist with an unconditional positive regard for the client attempts to reduce negative aspects of overdependence on others and increase self-reliance.
Yeah, like a father teaching his son how to ride a bike.
What?
Well, the father can't tell his son exactly what to do, but he is there for his son to feel secure and trusty until he gains enough self-reliance to go on his own.
Great example.